this client. And as you know, we have a general treatment plan format, and then we also have the DSM-5 formatted treatment plan, which supplies the DSM-5 as well as the ICD-10 diagnosis codes. And as we look at the treatment plan form, you see there's a diagnosis detail box here, and it's letting us know basically that if you do intend to create a super bill for this client, these two particular fields do need to be filled out to proceed and create a super bill. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these out. The first field is the DSM-5 diagnosis, and you can either click into this box to show all the different DSM-5 and ICD-10 codes, or you can just simply type right into this field. I'm going to type in the word anxiety. And once I find the result that I'm looking for, I'll just go ahead and select it. You can select multiple diagnosis codes if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and use one for this example. Once I've got a diagnosis code selected, I then move on to the next field, and I'm basically just selecting the appointment that this treatment plan applies to. The reason we have to select an appointment here is because there's a service fee associated with the actual appointment. Therefore, when we go to create the invoice, we're able to collect that service fee and attach that to the invoice as well. So the appointment that we're looking for took place on the 27th. I'll make that selection. And once I'm done with the diagnosis details section, then I can just go ahead and fill out the rest of this treatment plan form like I normally would. So I can address the mental status. I'll just say all within normal limits. And then further down the form, I've got the presenting problem and the treatment plan objective inputs. I'll go ahead and fill that out now. Okay, I've got the presenting problem and the treatment plan objective filled out. I also have the frequency of treatment. And then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and digitally sign this treatment plan. If I've shared this particular client with anybody else in my staff, whether it be another clinician or an administrative clinician, they can sign this treatment plan as well. So I'll go ahead and just check the box here to sign and click Save. And when the treatment plan gets saved, I can go back up to my treatment plan list, and there it is, the most recent one. I can review it, and now we're ready to go over and create the actual super bill.